Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to create clickable email links in your Canva project. So here I have my Canva project. It is like a simple resume. And what we want to do is when we pass this resume onto employers, we want this email address to be clickable so that they can open the email link and then create their own emails. For example, I have this resume right here, and then I'll just click on this. I'll double click it and I'll just change this into the name of the resume, like tapang@gmail.com. And once we've done that, just click on this again and then click on the three dots right here that says more, and then navigate here to link, and then from the text box right here you can just type the email that you will be adding to your projects. For example, tadeo@gmail.com. Then once you're done, just click on the done button right here. And then there we have our link. It says mail to tadeo@gmail.com. So this is the code of the Canva in order to know that they have an email link that will be clickable on today's email address right here. So again, click on done, and then you can see that there will be an underline on the actual email. So you can just remove this if you want, for example, like that. And then there you have the underline removed. For example, I also want to have a picture of the email link. I'm sorry, I'll just use this one. So this image of an email, essentially, I want it to be redirected into this email address as well. So we'll just click on this, click on the three dots, click on link, and then again just type the email that you will be inserting. So like that, and then click on done, and then done. And then if you want to do this as well for the other text right here, you can just do the similar steps that we have did. So for example, for this one, I'll just change this into, for example, like Facebook, and then it will show the like that. It shows the Facebook page of this resume. For example, again, let's just link this, and then we can just copy this facebook.com, but it won't lead to an actual page since I don't really have the page right here. This is just a template in Canva, and I just made this link up. So for example, and turn the underline off, and then when we when we download this, for example, just click on download and then just choose PDF. And then let's see the resume right here. We now have our clickable link. So if I click on this email right here, it will open up my email app in my laptop, and then it will automatically add the email of tadeo@gmail.com. So that's how you create your email links in Canva. So if I click this icon as well of the email, it will do the same thing. So it'll open up my email app, and then it will be directed to tadeo@gmail.com. And then if we click on the Facebook page right here, it will lead us into Facebook, but since this page doesn't exist, it will just show this error. But if you have an actual page, it will just show the actual link of your page. And this is it for this video. I hope you learned how to create clickable email links in your own Canva project, and thank you for watching.